Yeah, Stu, look. See what I mean?
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Pay attention then, buddy. What do you think that puss? Whoa, you did stick. I think it could be. Hello. Should really not be on the road. Any plus.
Oh, jeez. Okay then.
Snow is going to hit into.
I know. Hopefully I can get alongside. I mean, they might be turning off here anyway. Do they look drunk or?
Yes.
No, just an old couple.
An old couple.
Who just nearly took my back end out.
Mind you.
To begin, say a command after the tone.
Call 999.
999. Say dial, or you can enter more digits.
Dial.
Dialing 999.
What road are we on?
Not sure. What road are we on, Cat?
Emergency service.
Hello, police, please.
Police, thank you. Police emergency.
Hello there. Currently following a car on the
Let me just have a look. Do you know which junction you're near at the moment? I could get some coordinates with the call and it's showing you as near sort of Hatforth area.
possibly 80s.
Okay.
Hang on, Puss. Just,
Oh, hi, Pussycat.
just give us a minute.
Getting louder.
It's the driver in front. As soon as she swerves, the cat goes meow.
Don't worry, Puss. I won't have an accident.
No, the van driver's just had to go to the central reservation bit to avoid her because she near enough swerved into him just then. I've got it all on my dash cam anyway. It's all been recorded.
Sorry, mate.
We're coming into stationary traffic. Have they put a rolling roadblock on a ped or what?
I've not put anything on the job, so it doesn't...
Okay, just a volume of traffic, I think. Then.
Oh, they have just updated that they're not far off now, actually, so I should see them shortly.
Okay.
A167, lovely, thank you.
Ah, I've got the blue lights coming up behind me.
All right, that might be them then.
Yep, that'll be the ones.
I'll wait till the...
Yeah, I will.
Because I've got your car details, so there should be yours.
Alright,
Yeah.
Cats, just give us a second.
Yeah, he's coming up behind him now, or behind her.
Excellent. Yeah.
I think she's going to pull over now.
Yeah, that was going to go in front. I'll hang back for a little. Did they want me to stop or anything, or?
No, but is it okay if you've got the dash cam if we need that to contact you? Is that all right, Stephen? Is this your mobile number that you're using at the moment? Is it your own mobile?
It's my own mobile. Yeah, she is.
Yeah.
I don't think.
If
I don't think
I'll,
she's stopping.